So here's the new power supply board. As you can see, it looks exactly the same as the old one. Same markings, all the same components and everything. So there's just a few screws that hold it in. One there and four, and then there's your plug-ins for your backlights, and then this is your plug-in for your motherboard. So that's it, basically. It's pretty easy to change. If I get this back on, that'll be another challenge. So it's kind of just snapped in there, and then I put the 4 screws back in. Goes here. Oh, here's a couple down here too. There's one there. And then there's one over here. So actually there was 6 screws in the back. But they're pretty obvious. They're the only screws back here. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Let's see if my Chinese circuit board works. Of course, there's not going to be any signal here, but let me plug this in. You get the gist of it as soon as I hit the on button. Oh, there it goes. So there it is. It works. So there you go.